Hello everybody, welcome to this quick instructional video to help you test the recent dialogue speed improvement changes that I've made. The reason why I'm making this, what's known as a testing protocol video, is to help encourage more people to test the changes that I've made to the dialogues, because there's a lot of dialogues and there's a lot of functionality, and I want to encourage the number of users who feel capable of testing changes like this to, hopefully help Inkscape not release in buggy situations, which can sometimes happen when you make changes like this. So just to give you some background, Inkscape is slow, and it's slow because of certain big things, rendering on the CPU, but it's also slow because of some very broad signaling. And what we noticed is that the dialogues, because of the new dialogues that were introduced in 1.1, which are great, have incredibly broad signaling, which basically means every single change that you do on the canvas, you move an object slightly and it cascades a huge number of updates. And dialogues, certain ones of them are terrible, like certain ones are different, but for instance, the document properties will literally destroy hundreds of widgets and recreate hundreds of widgets every single time you move an object slightly. So having that document properties dialog open is death, especially if you're on a platform like Mac and Windows, where GTK widget creation is expensive. So those are the platforms we want to test the speed, to see whether the speed's improved. But honestly, the actual functionality about whether these changes have broken Inkscape completely, that can be done on any platform. And basically what it means is you just go through each of the dialogues and you try and use it. You need to be able to select objects, make sure that whatever properties that dialogue shows is reflected in the selected objects. You also need to report crashes, because crashes can happen. Also, if you can open up two Inkscape windows, you need to be able to show that a docked dialog, let's say fill in stroke, a docked dialog always shows the properties of the objects that are selected in the window that it's in, and a floating dialog always shows the properties of the selected window, right, whichever one has focus. And this can be as simple as creating two documents with different colored objects for this particular dialog, and then switching between them, right, and making sure that the floating fill and stroke dialog changes and the docked fill and stroke dialog does not change. Thank you very much for watching this short video. Please come to the chat.inkscape.org chat to talk about the things that you find, so we can get them fixed. And I'll put a link to the actual builds that you can help test with down below. You can also comment down below as well. I'm interested to hear what you think.